So this is the Apex Tool Organizer XL. So XL meaning say extra large compared to the regular or my first iteration of the Apex Tool Organizer. The difference is this. So what can you fit into the XL? I have this possible, when I say possible, I don't carry around this much, but this is the maximum amount of tools you could probably fit. Well, let's take a look. So first up is my multi-tool. So a multi-tool, okay, so this is the knifeless version, but you can fit a larger tool like the Surge. Let's try that. So the Surge is the largest tool that you can buy from Leatherman right now. And if I slide this in, this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so this fits nicely. The Surge is the 4.5-inch model. Of course, anything that is smaller, like this rebar, can fit. Then I have my key organizer, which fits here. I have these extra bits, Leatherman bits, that can easily be fit here at the back. So this is the Warrior Nano that easily fits here. Slides in. I have a nail clipper that can fit here. So this is the Apex EDC-100, or the 4-inch version that can actually fit here, like so. I still have a pry bar, which is from Leatherman, that can also fit here, like this. So this is the thickest and the most that you could carry with the XL. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's a hefty load. I'm actually even thinking of integrating a tritium vial here so it can glow in the dark for easy finding this. Anyway, let me know what you think, and I'd like to hear your thoughts if you are looking for something like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.